Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amen. My dear all of people at the Bangladesh, I hope you are all of people must be happy at this situation. My God, Bangla, I love you. I am a general activities of Bangladesh Awami League, but I was forced to say very hard. I am a general activist, but I do not want the politics of any family and relatives in the politics of Bangladesh. The only Sheikh family politics is starting to lead the Awami League today because of Bangladesh politics. No more relatives will be based on organizational skills on the basis of merit and move through the politics of any family. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he was a very powerful man, and he is the one leader who said everything. If he said everything, then people accept her. He is all of political talk for Bangladesh. I want to say something about only Sheikh Hasina. He is my leader, but I doesn't like to any family. As like as Bangabandhu family, all of people, they are having no ability to politics. They are having no basic knowledge about politics. Those people all already have gone that there was a very corrupted person at this moment. At this situation, we can see any news, YouTube, all of there are huge is corruption. He is involved this type of crime. So now I want to request my Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, you must be say, pardon me, all of Bangladesh people, and I hope I want to come back at Bangladesh. Inshallah, all of you accept me.